Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify for your e-commerce store. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Shopify account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Start Free Trial button and follow the prompts. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Settings option on the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to open a new menu. Next, select General from the menu options. Here, fill in your store name, email, and address. Ensure that your store name reflects your brand accurately. After filling in your details, scroll down and click Save. Now, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select Payments next. Choose your preferred payment provider. Shopify offers various options like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or manual payment methods. After selecting, follow the prompts to set up your payment options. With payments set up, return to the Settings menu once more. This time, click on Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates and methods that align with your business model. You may choose flat rates, free shipping, or calculated rates depending on your preferences. Once you've configured shipping, move on to Checkout in the Settings menu. Customize your checkout settings to enhance customer experience. Decide whether to require accounts for customers and add any customer contact methods you prefer. Next, let's head to Online Store on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to browse for a theme that reflects your brand. Once you find a theme you like, click Add or Publish. Then, click on Customize to modify your theme further. Adjust the layout, colors, fonts, and images as needed. After finalizing your design, return to your dashboard. Now it's time to add products to your store. Click on Products in the left sidebar, then select Add Product. Enter a title, description, price, and images for each product. Optimize your product descriptions with relevant keywords for better search visibility. After adding all your products, return to the dashboard. Next, click on Navigation to set up your main menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.